Hi, this is Hussein البياتي from Dubai. Today I'm going to show you how to put the best setting on the GPX 5000 to get a better sensitivity and a better depth. So we will start on this one, the bottoms. So the first one is search mode. We will put it on deep. Second one, soil timing, we will gonna put it in the middle in normal. Third one, coil RX, we will gonna put it mono. Last one, ground balance, we will gonna put it tracking. So as you see, the bottoms are left, middle, left, from top to bottom or from bottom to top. Threshold, we should make it nearly off. If you are familiar with the machine, you could raise it up. So this is done. You have to do this first, then we go to the machine. So you go to the volume limit 20, menu tune between 100 120, I think. Motion very slow. RX gain we do it 15. Motion very slow. RX gain 15. Stabilizer 3. Signal 17 or 18. Target volume, we'll put it between 15 to 17, and that's it. The machine now is ready. You have to press ground balance button one time. You do your own the ground balance and you run the machine. The best advice is the people who's using GPX or any metal detector, you have to walk very slow and you have to make the machine the coil be very near from the ground. I'll show you the last thing, how to do a factory preset on the machine. So if someone play with your machine and your machine is noisy, or if you want to do the factory preset, we'll switch off the machine. Now the machine is off. You pressed on, you'll wait a few seconds, then reset default, twist this one right, twist the left right till the last, then twist the right. That's simple, and the machine now is on the original setting from the factory. If you have any more question, please leave it in the comment, and thank you.